Just guess how long it took me to go from idea to holding this actual product in my hand. Well, it took me only 7 days. It does sound a little crazy. Well, let me just quickly explain to you. So as an e-commerce seller myself, over the past few years, the complaint that I hear the most from my colleagues and other e-commerce sellers is communicating with suppliers is such a headache, especially when they want to make physical products. Confirming designs, sampling, and revisions can drag on for months. Previously, going from an idea to a complete tech pack usually meant finding a designer, find an engineer, endless meetings, revise drawings, add dimensions, clarify materials. And under a normal timeline, a full tech stack taking 3 to 6 weeks is common. And if the product structure is a bit more complex, then 2 to 3 months isn't unusual. And then you enter sampling, round after rounds of samples, shipping, revisions, and resampling. So many brands get stuck in sampling communication for months, sometimes even a year. So today I decided to run a sourcing challenge using an AI tool that I just discovered, and I'm going to test how fast a brand new physical product could be produced from concept to sample. The AI tool that I'm talking about is called Accio 2.0. It automatically generates a complete tech pack, which is a crucial document between designers and engineers. With this AI tool, you don't have to draw the diagrams, write material specs, or explain the structure. You can send a full production ready file straight to the suppliers. For example, I just sent this picture to Accio, so you can see this is the photo of the exact product that I just showed you earlier. So I just attached the photo of the product, and then I just gave it this exact prompt, which was, please refer to the image I have attached, analyze this material, structure, design, and key manufacturing requirements, and compile a fully production-ready tech pack that suppliers can directly follow. The tech pack should include detailed orthographic 3-view drawings, a bill of material, which is called BOM, and technical specifications, manufacturing/process diagrams, and compliance and safety issues. And then I just selected this thinking option from here. Then I just simply clicked on this enter. It will just analyze the entire information that I have already provided it. It will analyze the image as well. Right now you can see it is analyzing this image, and then basically it is reading the prompt that I have just given it. And now basically it is compiling the complete comprehensive tech pack. And there you go. You can see within literally just few seconds, it actually produced the whole blueprint, the 3-view drawing that includes the top, side, and front view. So you can see this is a very accurate drawing which can be given. So you can see this is a very detailed manufacturing and process diagram. Then we have a complete bill of material BOM, listing everything from stainless steel inner liner, heating element and PCB, to the ceiling silicone gasket, and even screws and ventilation holes. Nothing is missing. And also this exploded assembly drawing showing how each layer snaps together and how the heating base connects to the main body. And even the entire production workflow is created. That includes plastic injection molding, stamping and forming, electrical integration, and sealing tests. So basically what used to take engineers and designers weeks and also cost thousands of dollars was now generated in Accio in under a minute. But design is only the first step. The real test was whether it could actually help me make the product. So next I just asked it to find me the factories. So I just gave it this prompt, which is, please conduct an extensive research across the web to find reliable manufacturers or suppliers. Please conduct a comprehensive analysis of these products based on the price and customer reviews. Also verify the supplier's credibility by checking their company size and years in business, etc. Finally, help me draft a professional inquiry for a one-click code. So this is just a simple prompt. If you want, I can just leave all of these prompts in my description as well. So I can simply just now press enter, and now it is going to help me to find a reliable suppliers for this particular product. And you can see Accio started scanning the global platforms. That includes platforms like Alibaba.com and even some small batch manufacturers as well. So in total, Accio found 70 plus reliable suppliers. And it has also already shortlisted the top manufacturers as well. That includes this particular one with 4.7 rating and another one with 4.3 ratings and 12 years of experience. So in literally just few seconds, I have list of the suppliers that could actually make this product. Now I can compare the prices, certifications, MOQs, lead times, and even see a credibility score that Accio assigned to each supplier. So after choosing the supplier, I sent them the complete tech pack directly to the supplier, and then we just waited for the sample. In the past, this step usually involves dozens of emails and weeks of back and forth to clarify files and details. But this time, because all the dimensions, materials, and structures were clearly documented in the tech pack, I hardly needed to add any explanations. And a few days later, I received a shipping notice, and just today, it arrived. So the product is exactly as we imagined using Accio. It has stainless steel inner liner, heating base, silicone seal. Even the position and style of the LED powered indicator matched the Accio generated design almost exactly. And when I pressed the button and it started heating, one thought ran into my mind. I just used AI to turn an idea into a physical object. So now just compare the old workflow, idea to then finding the designer, then endless revisions, then factory confusions, and then revise and resample, and that easily takes months. But this time you just start from an idea, then input that idea into Accio, and Accio will generate the production ready tech stack in under a minute. Then just choose a supplier, receive the sample in days, almost no wasted communication, mostly effective and actionable information. So if you have ever been slowed down by long, inefficient supplier communication, try using Accio for a comparison and see if the path that used to take months can now give you results in literally days. So I have partnered with Accio to get you a free trial. You can click the special link in description to get started, or just comment Accio down below and I will send you an exclusive free trial link directly. If you have any questions about this amazing AI tool, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.